Are you thinking of having a pet? Me too. I want lovebirds, but mommy said they're too expensive. I can't buy them. They're too expensive. For today's video, we will see if rabbits are safe for kids like me. Meet Stormy. Yung mata naman niya parang si Storm. Pwede ko siya hawakan?
Hindi naman nangagat.
Hindi niya kasi alam ang pangalan. Ito alam niya.
Ito kasi bata pa kaya okay. Sige, pwede. Ito, ayaw mo yung malaki.
Nakakatakot kasi yan eh. Cute na. Huwag mong buhatin na ganyan.
Wow, cute.
Do you want to have rabbit also?
Oh?
Why?
Ano sa gabi?
Ano, sa gabi sila at saka sa madaling araw sila active kaya natutulog daw sila ng umaga.
Hi, Shadow. Yes. Ang cute na.
What's his name?
Shadow. Ang cute naman ang Puffy. Puffy. Shadow. Isa ko na. Ate, is this fancy?
Yeah. Mas mahal ito kaysa doon sa dala. Kasi ito pure na lion head.
Lion head siya. They drink from the magic faucet.
Magic.
Magic faucet. They have two. Stop me. They have a water. It is like a sink. They have here so they can sip. They press it like that. Oh,
And
that's
then
good.
water comes out.
Yeah, that's cool. And this work too. Ate, this work also. Yeah. That's cool. And this also open, but it's so high. How many times they eat?
I feed them twice in the morning and then in the evening.
You feed them also at night?
Yeah. So they have food.
Ate, that one it keep jumping. Yeah. Ate, I know that rabbits jump because they're a rabbit.
Yeah, they're happy when they jump.
Is she biting?
I don't know. She didn't bite me yet, but
She's gonna bite me if she don't know me.
I guess so.
Cute.
Hi, Pilar. You're so adorable. Do you feed them at morning
This is
and
banana.
night?
Yeah.
Do you feed them now? Can you feed them already?
That's banana leaves.
Can I feed them too? Can I feed them?
Home.
Kakakatin ako. Ayun, ayun naman sa
Yung mom. Ayan. Ayaw na so much. Ito kasi pila. Try natin ito.
Nay!
There you go.
Nangangagat ba yan?
Nagsisipa.
Oh, cute.
Siya makamakan.
Hindi.
Ito, half siya. Half lion head.
Half lion head.
Mabait siya pag kilala niya ang bata.
Oo, ano, bata pa rin to eh. Mabait din yan.
Why he did not bite if he just want to see me? Hey, you stole. I wanna. I was just thinking about birds because the color. Yes, the birds. They sell birds of color pink,
Wow, that's cute. You
but
want
they're
birds?
expensive.
I do want birds.
But they're expensive.
Yeah. Because it's pink.
The lovebirds daw.
The little birds, I love them. These are their food.
Yeah, this is for the three, the lion head. And then,
That is for the tree and for the lion heads.
yeah, no, the three. That one, and then her babies. Shadow and Stormy. So this is their feet. And then the two is this one. It's bigger because I don't know.
Oh no, the bunny is eating now. Ah, it's going on
Look at it.
It's bigger than this one.
That is for the lion, which is for
This
the
one.
tree.
It's for lion head.
It's for the
smaller.
tree.
Yeah.
And that
This one is Pilar and the other one there. Mario.
is for Pilar and for Black.
This one is for black.
You need teeth.
And
Oh no, that Storm is tired. Put him
get
up there.
huh?
Put him here
Yeah, it's okay. He wants to stay out.
because he's very hungry. I'm gonna close the house for Stormy. They take a bath. I
Oh,
think.
you don't.
They don't like a cat
They don't take out kasi ano.
because they're really scared of cold water.
Yes. They don't like water. They feel like they are tortured if they take a bath.
If they take a bath on cold water, they will go.
They might die.
They might die.
Yeah.
If they die, their mom will get worried, and that's why.
Yeah, true.
And then she will be angry.
Yeah. Because they have emotions too.
Oh, Uncle Steve. He's so cute and puffy, guys. This is Stormy, a lion head rabbit. Pilar, where are you? Pilar, where have you been? This rabbit is a crossbreed. Guys, this is Kuya Onyok's rabbit. But the face is too small. The rabbit is looking at me. Maybe. And the other rabbit was with the water, and then something splashed the water, and then he died. That's a worry. But I think he's not hungry. I think he will be hungry. I don't know what name it is. Why you want to go out for it? really that center. They are so cute. Ate said they're active. I'm scared of rabbits. This is my first time seeing a rabbit. Well, they're not scary. Still young to take care of a rabbit. I cannot feed them. They cannot drink. I don't know how to do everything for the rabbits. Because I'm still young. I could play with them, but I cannot do everything for them. I will have lovebirds if I have money. But rabbits are so adorable. Maybe I could have one if I'm grown up.
Here we go, making Billy on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been sorbing, make it trendy, we look sexy. Here we go, making Billy on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been sorbing, make it trendy, we look sexy. It's so icy, 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 엄마 내 combination, 새로운 가간지 머리 swag, 남들이 잘 때도 쓸어담지, breaking good, life is good, 한동안 잊었어 이 느낌을, for better life, for better love, 이제는 나도 두 배 벌어. I don't give a fuck, who should give a fuck, 요즘 애들이 병신놀이 하는 거, no one give a fuck, take care of a house, 쓸어담아 다 나이 먹었어, 후회하지 않아 나요. Let's be straight, enemies, match potato, 네 커리어, terminate, 좁아 아마 좋은 새끼들 니네 주제를 알아매요. Making Billy on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been sorbing, make it trendy, we look sexy. Here we go, making Billy on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been sorbing, make it trendy, we look sexy. 필요해도 많은 시간 살 돈이 섣불리 시작해서 이제 밥벌이 랩 스타일 비슷해 내 스타일 드셔.
Shout out to my Ate Janila. Thank you for sharing with your pet. Love you.
Here we go.
Shout out also to my friend Rance. Hello.
Make it trendy, we look sexy. Here we go, making Billy on, getting icy zone, flexing. I've been sorbing, make it trendy, we look sexy. It's so icy, icy, icy. My neck combination.
Shout out also to my Ate Iya and Mama Hasmin and Kuya Riley. Thank you for helping me on this video. Thank you also Kuya Unyok.